Hello students. So in today's video we have a grade 3 and 4 data interpretation problem. The question reads as Stephen, Gloria, Andrew and Jessica received Christmas gifts from Santa Claus. Aren't they lucky? Okay, let's get back to the question. So they are telling us use the pictograph to answer the questions. Okay, so if you notice here in the pictograph we have Stephen, we have Gloria, we have Andrew and we have Jessica, and just besides them we have different boxes of gifts. We have different number of boxes of gifts. And here there is a key which tells us that one particular box is equal to two gifts. One particular box equals to two gifts. So if one box equals to two gifts, let us revisit our multiplication concept again. If one box equals to two gifts, then here I have 1, 2, 3. So 3 box would equal to 3 times 2, that equals to 6 gifts. So Stephen is getting 6 gifts. Okay. Gloria gets 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There are 6 different boxes here. So the total number of gifts that Gloria gets is 6 times 2, that equals to 12 gifts. The same way Andrew gets 2 times 2, that is equal to 4 gifts, and Jessica gets 4 times 2, that equals to 8 gifts. So now we are clear with who has received how many gifts. Let us go ahead and answer the other questions here. So the first question reads, who got the most number of gifts? So if you see, Stephen has got 6, Gloria has got 12, Andrew has got 4 and Jessica has got 8. So clearly, Gloria over here has received maximum number of gifts. So the answer to this question would be, who has received the most number of gifts? I would say Gloria received the maximum number of gifts, and that is 12 gifts. Okay. Let us go ahead and read the second question. The second question tells us, who got more gifts, Jessica or Stephen? So if you see, Jessica has received 8 gifts and Stephen has received 6 gifts. So it is clear that Jessica is the winner over here. Jessica has received more gifts. How many? Jessica has received 8 gifts. Perfect. Then the next question tells us, how many gifts did Gloria and Jessica get all together? So here they want the total quantity of both Jessica and Gloria's gifts combined. So if you see, Gloria has received a total of 12 gifts. Gloria has received a total of 12 gifts. And Jessica has received a total of 8 gifts. So if you simply want the combined value, we can add them. So 12 plus 8 gives us 20. And this tells us that both Gloria and Jessica combined altogether have a total of 20 gifts. Moving ahead, they are asking us, who got 6 gifts? So if you see, Stephen is the one who has got 6 gifts. So our answer to this question would be, Stephen got 6 gifts. And finally, the last question here asks us, how many more gifts did Stephen get than Andrew? So if you see, Stephen has got 6 gifts and Andrew has got 4 gifts. So a simple way of identifying how many gifts did Stephen get more, I could simply do a subtraction over here. So 6 minus 4 would give me 2. So Stephen got 2 gifts more than the number of gifts that Andrew received. Isn't that easy? Wonderful. So this is how you go about a data interpretation problem. Okay students, that's it. Thank you. Bye bye.